American Heart Month is a great opportunity to raise awareness about heart disease, the #1 cause of death in the United States. At the University of Kentucky and UK Healthcare, we take a comprehensive approach to improving heart health that goes beyond medicine, offering support such as healthy lifestyle and nutrition coaching. For anyone facing a chronic disease that is nutrition-related, the UK Food is Health Alliance creates healthy cooking videos to help you manage your health. This recipe for upside-down shepherd's pie is nutrient-packed and yields 6 servings that are high in fiber and low in sodium and cholesterol. One serving also delivers more than half the protein your body needs on a daily basis. It's a great meal option for anyone living with heart disease, and best of all, it's delicious.
I'm Dr. Mackenzie Barr. I'm a registered dietitian and faculty here at UK. And so today we're going to get talking about a recipe that is good for your heart as well. So just because you want to take care of your heart doesn't mean you give up the flavors that you love. And so we're going to take a twist here on one of our classic comfort foods, shepherd's pie. And so instead of using mashed potatoes, we're going to use a simple baked potato. And for our beef, we're going to use some lean ground beef so that we can keep that saturated fat low and protect our heart. So first, we're going to work on our baked potatoes. So let's get poking.
Check the link in the description for the full recipe video. And for more healthy meal options, visit ukhealthcare.com and search recipes.